Title: The Rain Whisperer. In a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Mia. She possessed a unique gift, a deep connection with the rain. Mia believed that rain held a secret power, capable of bringing life and washing away sorrows. During the rainy season, Mia's eyes would sparkle with excitement. She would eagerly don her bright yellow raincoat and colorful rain boots. With an umbrella in hand, she would venture out into the pouring rain, her heart dancing in rhythm with each raindrop that fell. As the villagers sought shelter, Mia would race through the streets, laughing and twirling under the gray sky. Her infectious enthusiasm inspired others to let go of their worries and join her in the rain. The villagers began to see the beauty in each raindrop, realizing that even amidst the storm, there was joy to be found. Mia's magical connection with the rain transformed the village. Crops flourished, painting the fields with vibrant colors, and the sound of laughter filled the air. Her infectious spirit brought the community closer as they danced, sang, and played together in the rain. Word of Mia's gift spread far and wide, capturing the attention of neighboring villages. People sought her guidance during dry spells, hoping for her rain-filled blessings. Mia's legend grew, and she became known as the Rain Whisperer, a symbol of hope and joy during the rainy season. From that day forward, the villagers embraced the rain as a gift, understanding that each drop held the power to nourish their souls. And it was all thanks to the whimsical spirit of Mia, the girl who taught them to dance in the rain and find beauty in the storm. The Rain Whisperer's tale serves as a reminder that even in the darkest of times, a little rain can bring about incredible transformation and inspire a community to come alive.